Ready or not, here I come. You can hide. Oh, I'm gonna find you and make you want me. Ready or
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Dancehall artist Masicka always make the news, always in the paper. Just that this time it is not for a good reason, and it is courtesy of the man himself. Alkaline, Sizzla, get back him American visa. Russian, after many years, finally decide to revive Shensia again. Vibes Cartel, even though him the behind bars, even though him lock up in a Jamaica, it look like him still managed to smuggle in a British girl. Tamili Sparta respond to Sir P directly. Black Rhino, did he actually diss the Gaza based on one of his latest posts and squash? For the first time, it look like say some serious things are going. For the first time, squash Mada actually right out involve him in some bad things, and based on what we see going on the media right now, believe me, it'll get ugly, and we hope say this not turn into violence. Viewers and subscribers, we have all of that to speak of in this report, but before we go further in the details, may I ask one of them one simple favor. Pause the video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel when we reach this far. So please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So up first, dancehall and reggae artist Sizzla Kalonji has finally get back him US visa, and me say get back him US visa simply because this is not his first US work permit. Yeah man, him used to have him visa, but I think him lose it around 6-7 years ago there about something of that sort. But now we see say yo, the artist actually get back him wings and him can fly. But viewers and subscribers, they look like see and now Sizzla decide to burn fire. The man a burn fire like nothing from what he to the type of people them where him know say as an artist, if you want to be able to perform certain places, you can't burn fire upon them, which we not gonna say yo him not fi burn fire fi burn upon them straight. We switch past Sizzla now and burn the fire the realest way. But yo, I am working Mado and that him there for, so we just have to support him. And speaking of Sizzla, we are move right along to which part we say not nice. Make a post on him Instagram page what there, and you don't know is a post with one bag of Gaza artists from when the Real Boss did their road, including Not Nice himself as the Gaza producer. We see Black Rhino in the Sean Storm, the whole works. Black Rhino did actually like that post when Not Nice post. Then we see him come back and him repost it, and you don't know him a big up all of the man them were in the picture. But outside of that, when you read the fine print, you find out that Black Rhino actually has sent a strong message. Don't know which part the hashtag them there. They basically say, yo, big up the producer, them was still link with him. And him name out one whole heap of producer. And him did not name Not Nice. No, viewers and subscribers, is that at this meant to the Gaza or to Not Nice only? I want to tell me down below, because based on what me see, him definitely I try get at something. If you know say yo, him never say big up the artist, then was still connect with him, you know. He say big up the producer them, and him did not name Not Nice. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts, and this what this thing I post.
Run a place like a boy relax, bank book big them know me a shella. Me a make it rain no need.
So Russian, what do we see him do an interview on the Let's Be Honest podcast on YouTube with Jeffrey, and in the interview, him said him and Shensia haven't spoken in more than 2 years. Viewers and subscribers and me shocked when me hear something like that. The entire world shocked. Now we see which part it look like so they make amends, and we see which part Shensia preview a track that is produced by nobody else but Russian. Check this out.
yeah, the way man knock it hard, coming like say it feel brand new. You think give me big deal whenever you drive.
Yeah man, as usual, Shensia no miss. And as usual, Russian do not miss. So viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts on Russian and Shensia burying the hatchet and decide. So watch you know, and music, me say, make we move forward. And since we mentioned the Jeffrey podcast, a little thing I go on from what here, something that Jeffrey, should I say, did or say, whichever one I know and put it. And it happened more than a year ago. Yeah, man, more than a year ago. But now it seems as if it come back and haunt him. Yeah, man, him stating that people play with him backdoor and him did like it and them little thing they know. Viewers and subscribers, I am not here to be judgmental. I want you tell me what you think about this situation, because right now, everybody about him out. Everybody a bunny mouth. But yeah, as well, myself, viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts down below on Jeffrey's statement that he made a year ago or a few years ago. Now coming back to haunt him. We are move right along. So as you don't know already, Sir P, Politics Watch, him always come out with some controversial contents, and them man there, without a doubt, seems to know every single thing we're going, not just in a Jamaica, but once it involves Jamaicans. And we have to be honest, yo, this is one of, if not the most credible source of information, especially when it comes on to violence and gangs in Jamaica. We can't deny that. We see him forward out with a video the other day, speaking of a man, I think police knock him where an election day. Yeah, man, near the polling station. Now, in that video, him make the world know, say, yo, you say that you, and don't quote me on it, I'm not sure if that's the same you, but I think it is. But yeah, him do a video and him make the world know, say, yeah, man, I wanna Tamale soldier that man. Yeah, man, straight from Sparta. You see me as a viewers and subscribers. No, Tamale, as the Tamale we know, ignore it, cause yo, them man, they don't have enough for him to go through, and don't have enough for him to go through already. Remember, the man just a forward from jail when he got burned couple years because of an illegal gun. Now we see Tamale on stage I perform this song. Viewers and subscribers, the audience are singing for him, and based on what we see is an emotional Tamale. We see I perform this song. Check out that little piece here. Yeah, man, as you can see, man, the man I make you know straight up say, yo, him have some place where him nah go back. You see what me I say? So all of the allegations say, yo, a film soldier this. All of the allegations say, yeah, man, him involved in this and him involved in that. Yeah, him probably make you know say, yeah, man, that was once me, but I am no more. Some bridge have to get burned. Viewers and subscribers, Tamale tell the world say him is a change man. Look like say he is. So yeah, what? Viewers and subscribers, when I spend no more time on this, we'll move right along. So Vibes Cartel, we know the situation with him. We go over that like 1,000,000 times. We know they are suffering this right now. But one of the few things we want to talk about a lot is that Vibes Cartel, we don't know. Him and Shorty did together, and they are no more. We switch part, him actually engaged to another female. Yeah, man, the female they give him all the forward. We cannot deny that. Now, since his appeal a come up, all of the girls them, all of the females them will have a crush on the real boss. All of the females them will decide to say, yeah, man, a Gaza we say from long time. And even the new Gaza females them, all of them are show the world how desperate they are to see the real boss forward a road. One of such female seems to be a British female based on her accent. Me not really know, but her accent alone tell me say she a British. She cannot wait till the real boss come a road. Yeah, man, she a professor love in so many different ways. And they look like say the real boss a fall feet. We see him all over the comment sections of our video. And me I tell you, the type of things them what real boss a say, and no not normal. We also see this girl put out a video singing this song for the real boss when him come out of jail. Viewers and subscribers, check it out.
Oh, when Vibes Cartel gets out of prison and he comes over to my house for a cup of tea, we're gonna do this. Now I had the time of my life. Ready or not, here I come. You can hide. Oh, I'm gonna find you and make you want me. Ready or not, here I
Now all of them here, we see which part the real boss repost it. You see what me I say? We see him even go as far and I say, yo, Gaza Nation, yeah, what? Smugly in that one, yeah. Viewers and subscribers for the decade long with Vibes Cartel in a jail are the first female me see man go so crazy over. Yeah man, whole heap of time you see a female we post one little dance video of them dancing to him song, one little one comment or this or that, but me I tell you, Vibes Cartel and this female back and forth in a comment section, back and forth in a Instagram post. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts and this should Vibes Cartel come a road. When you feel like said this female and go live up to her words, tell me down below. We are move right along. So Alkaline, we know them man they go to work already. So me I say, them man they will come and beat on the bushes whole year until another artist feel like them bad and decide to go direct. We see him drop a song, the most recent song, titled Feel Like God. Viewers and subscribers, the title alone, I tell you say Alkaline, I make you all a dance all know say brother me bigger than this, me bigger than all I know. Right now to me superior, me feel like see how the G in this and that Alkaline I tell the world say. But in the song, not even subliminal in it to me. Nothing when me can say, yeah man, Masicka head get bust out. Nothing me can say, the guns are the six. But here what? We know them man they go to work already. Him always I go pull a one card or something of that sort. Now in the music video, we see him I go through one whole heap of newspaper, one whole heap of this, one whole heap of that. And for the Alkaline we me know, something after in the newspaper. Why him have it in the video? So me decide say pause, zoom in. And when me zoom in, viewers and subscribers are them thing I will see on the newspaper and a massa me do a video last summer and in the video me tell you say yo Alkaline use Masicka name, Masicka style and kill him. Yeah man, Masicka even though the artist spell him name different. You know what a massacre is? Viewers and subscribers, Google what a massacre is and then look at what Alkaline have in the newspaper and then you will see which part me have forward from. But viewers and subscribers, we not spend no more time on this because we see the artist also make a post and I make the real know say man new song a forward. So right now everything will get more intense and we there and watch we there and I wait to see when another clash with the young lad kick off. Viewers and subscribers, we are move right along. So the last thing we have to touch upon, dancehall artist Squash and a Mada Shelly. Viewers and subscribers, me I go to TikTok and me see a video with this man. I don't know him. First me I see him. I don't know if he's an entertainer. And I don't have no idea who he is. But in the video, the man I met the real know say yo, Squash owe him a portion of money. Squash Mada owe him a portion of money. And him decide say yo, him take it to the media and him want them take it to the media too. The man make sure tell them say yo, yes he want it. Media war. But viewers and subscribers, the amount of suck Mada Squash get, it look like said this can go way further than just a media war. We switch past Squash post on him Instagram and I make you real know say yo, we don't even know this man. I've never seen or heard of this man. So over this man for forward and I say Ray and I say Tay, in fact, the man say Squash Mada, Squash people them borrow a bag of money from him for bail out this a man from jail, for bail out that the man from jail, for do this, for do that. But when me I watch the video, me I see you like this man have to be a fool. Like you every minute I give so much money, I lend so much money and I bail, man I get bail from prison. Me nah see you a one man they are prison and them not get bail, but like come on, every minute so them in a ranks and get locked up and you have to bail them. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, as what me say, Squash make the real know say yo, him no know this man from Adams. Me never believe. But based on a Instagram live where Squash Mada do, or TikTok live, one of them, but based on a live where Squash Mada Shelly do, it look like say Squash speak the truth. Just check out the little piece, yeah.
Anything, remember, make an old man and take them things from him. Anything when he give me, I am give me in a real life.
Now when me say Squash Mada I speak the truth, if you no notice, she basically I say, yo, she not force no man for give her no money. Anything a man give her willingly. Viewers and subscribers, it sound like say, yo, she and the man at the day. Based on some voice note to me, she actually a play and the man a call her, him wife and them look thing there. So Squash probably right when Squash say him don't know this man. But based on everything, Squash Mada, I admit say yes the man give her money. Squash Mada, in fact I admit say yeah, a fair man. That's what me I say viewers and subscribers. Now as when me say it's not shocking if you know say your Squash no know the man. But viewers and subscribers want to tell me phone or thoughts down below because the man a go on bad and him decide say yo, him have to get back him money because him know exactly which part to find Squash Mada. So if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short. And me I tell you say, that no look good. It sound like it might turn violent. That's what me I say. Cause Squash now gonna make them hurt him mother. That's what me I say. And this a man now making money go so. But again, as what me say, it still look away if you know see yo, the artist dip on a level. And like yo, other man of your judge, viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts down below. And you have come to the end of another report. Please me ask you know. Give this video a like. Bless up.